Hey, Jack. You look extra awake today.
Oh, Monica, I had strong coffee. Also, Chinese New Year is coming.
Yeah, that's our topic today, Chinese New Year.
I hear people call it Spring Festival too, but it's still cold.
Exactly. It can be cold, but spring means a new start.
Oh, I see. Like fresh energy, new plans.
Right, and many families travel to be together.
Like a big family reunion?
Yes, family reunion is a great phrase. It means the family meets again.
Nice. So today we'll talk like friends, right?
Always. And we'll share real situations, like planning a party, shopping, and meeting family.
And we'll teach useful words without sounding like a textbook.
Perfect. And one more thing. Chinese New Year is based on the lunar calendar.
Lunar, like the moon.
Yes, pronunciation tip, lunar.
Lunar. Got it.
Great. Okay, let's jump into our first little story. Scenario 1. Planning a Chinese New Year gathering.
Okay. You're inviting friends?
Yeah, I'm hosting a small dinner at my place.
Brave. Your kitchen is tiny.
Wow, okay. Rude, but true.
So what do you say first?
I text my friend, do you want to come over to ring in the new year?
Ring in the new year. I like that.
It means celebrate the start of the new year.
Like the sound of a bell. Ring, ring.
Exactly. And I also say, it'll be a simple meal.
But then you cook for 5 hours.
Yeah, that's what always happens.
What food is common?
People often eat special foods. It depends on the family.
So we can say, we'll have a family-style dinner.
Good. Family style means food in the middle shared by everyone.
I like that style. More fun, more talking.
And more chance to drop noodles on your shirt.
That was one time.
Okay, so I invite friends, then I ask about time. Can you come around 6?
Simple. Learners can use around for an approximate time.
Yes, around 6 means maybe 5:50, maybe 6:10.
What if someone can't come?
They can say, I can't make it. That means I can't come.
Nice phrase. I can't make it.
Or, I'm tied up. That means busy.
Tied up, like a rope?
Not really. It's an idiom. It just means busy.
Okay. And what about wishes? What do people say?
Many people say good luck and good health.
Good health is big. People really mean it.
Right. And you can say, I wish you a great year.
Easy and friendly.
Now, quick pronunciation tip. Festival.
Festival.
Good. Stress the first syllable. Festival.
Festival. Nice.
Great. So I'm planning the dinner. I make a list.
Uh-oh. A list means you're serious.
Hey, lists save lives, Jack.
Okay. What's on the list?
Decor, snacks, and a small gift for guests.
Gift? Like what?
Something simple, like oranges or candies.
Or a little red envelope?
Yes, red envelope is a famous one.
That's money inside, right?
Often, yes. It's a symbol of good luck.
So we can explain a red envelope is a small red packet with money.
Exactly. And learners can practice envelope.
En-the-lope.
Careful. In American English, it's often envelope. Envelope.
Envelope, not envelope.
Right. Some people say it differently, but envelope is common.
Cool. So your party plan sounds great.
Thanks. But then the problem happens.
Oh no, what problem?
I forget to invite my neighbor and he hears the music.
Awkward.
He knocks on my door and says, hey, what's going on?
And you say...
I say, oh, I'm so sorry. We're ringing in the new year.
Nice. You used the phrase again.
And I add, do you want to join for dessert?
That's friendly. Do you want to join means come with us.
Exactly. And he says, yes.
So the lesson is, invite the neighbor.
Or at least have extra dessert.
Always have extra dessert.
Okay, scenario 2, shopping for decorations.
Ah, yes. The I only need one thing lie.
Exactly. I go to a shop for one lantern.
And you leave with 10 bags.
Pretty much. So I'm in the store and I see red decorations.
Red is everywhere for Chinese New Year, right?
Yes, red is linked with good luck and happiness.
So learners can say, red is a lucky color.
Great sentence. Simple and useful.
What decorations do you see?
Lanterns, paper cutouts, and banners.
Lantern is a nice word. Pronunciation?
Lantern, 2 syllables.
Lantern. Got it.
And banner, that's a long sign with words on it.
But we won't use any Chinese writing today.
Right, no Chinese characters today.
So what happens in the shop?
I ask the worker, "Excuse me, do you have any lanterns?"
Good polite question.
The worker says, "Yes, over there. Do you want a big one or a small one?"
This is great for choices, big or small, cheap or expensive.
Exactly. And I say, "I'll take a small one. I don't have much space."
Because your home is tiny.
Jack, we already talked about this.
Sorry.
Then I see little red envelopes. Very cute.
And you buy them, even if you don't need them.
Yes, because they look nice. What phrase can learners use there?
These are so cute, or I can't resist.
I can't resist means you can't stop yourself.
Exactly, like you see snacks and you can't resist.
That's me, always me. Now the funny mishap. I try to carry too much.
Oh no.
I'm holding lanterns, envelopes, candles, everything.
And then?
Then my phone rings and I drop a bag.
Classic.
The worker helps me and says, "Do you need a basket?"
Useful word, basket.
Yes. And I say, "Yes, please. That would help a lot."
Great polite phrase. That would help a lot.
Then I get to the checkout. The worker asks, "Cash or card?"
Everyone hears that in shops. Cash or card.
I pay and I leave. And then I realize,
You forgot the lantern?
worse, I forgot my wallet at the counter.
Oh no, that's not good luck.
I run back and say, "Hi, I think I left my wallet here."
I think I left is a nice soft way to say it.
The worker smiles and says, "No worries, here you go."
No worries means it's okay.
Right. And then I say, "Thank you, you saved me."
Perfect.
So learners can remember shopping phrases plus a funny mistake.
And the lesson is, don't carry 10 bags.
Or don't answer your phone.
Or bring a basket. Lots of lessons.
Scenario 3. Explaining traditions to a foreign friend.
This is common. Someone asks, why do you do that?
Exactly. So imagine my friend Emma comes to dinner.
She's never celebrated Chinese New Year before.
Right. She looks around and says, "Wow, everything is red."
And you say, yeah, red is a lucky color. It's for good luck.
Great. Simple explanation.
Then she sees a plate of oranges and asks, why oranges?
Good question. I say, oranges can mean good fortune. Also, they're easy to share.
So the key idea is symbolism.
Yes, but we keep it easy. We don't need a history lecture.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What about cleaning the house? People talk about that.
Yes, many people clean before the new year.
Like a fresh start.
Exactly. So I tell Emma we clean to start the year fresh.
Nice phrase. Start the year fresh.
Then she asks about fireworks.
Are fireworks always part of it?
Sometimes. In some places, people set off fireworks.
Set off is a useful phrasal verb.
Yes, set off fireworks means light them so they explode.
But we should add a safety note. Follow local rules.
Right. Also, some cities have restrictions.
So Emma asks, do you set off fireworks?
I say, not in my neighborhood. It's not allowed.
Great phrase. It's not allowed.
Then she notices the red envelopes and says, "What are those?"
And you explain again.
They're red envelopes. People give them as a lucky gift.
And she asks, do I get one?
I say, only if you help with the dishes.
That's fair.
She laughs too, and she says, "Deal."
Great. Deal means yes. Okay. Agreed.
Then she wants to say something nice to the family.
Like a greeting.
Yes, but she's nervous. She says, "I don't want to say it wrong."
That's real. Learners feel that too.
I tell her, keep it simple. Say, "Happy New Year," and smile.
Smiling helps in every language.
Totally. And if she wants, she can say, "I wish you good health."
That's polite and warm.
Now, a small pronunciation moment. Fortune.
Fortune.
Nice. Fortune. Fortune.
Fortune. Good.
And symbol.
Symbol, not symbol.
Exactly. Symbol.
Great. So Emma is learning, eating, and smiling.
Yes. And then she makes a small mistake.
Uh-oh, what mistake?
She opens a red envelope right away.
Oh, is that bad?
In some families, people don't open it in front of others.
So it can feel a bit awkward.
Right. I gently say, "Oh, you can open it later."
That's a nice, kind correction.
And Emma says, "Oh, sorry, I didn't know."
Great phrase. I didn't know. Honest and simple.
And I say, "No problem at all."
So the lesson is, if you make a mistake, be polite.
Exactly. Culture is different. Mistakes happen.
And friends help friends.
Always. Scenario 4. Family dinner conversations.
The big one, the main event.
Yes, family dinner can be fun and a little stressful.
Because family asks questions.
Exactly. So picture this. You sit down and your aunt says,
So, are you dating anyone?
"Jack." Yes, like that.
That's universal.
So we'll practice safe answers, simple answers.
Like, I'm focusing on work right now.
Great. Or, "I'm taking it slow."
Taking it slow means no rush.
Right. Then someone offers food.
Lots of food.
They say, "Have some more."
And you say,
"I'm good, thanks." Or, "Just a little, please."
useful because you may be full.
Then the grandma says, "Eat more, you're too thin."
Grandma is always right.
Sure, Jack.
So, learners can use polite refusal. I'm full, but it's delicious.
Great line. I'm full, but it's delicious.
Compliment plus boundary.
Exactly. Now, during dinner, people may talk about the new year.
Like hopes and plans.
Yes, someone might say, "What are your plans for this year?"
And you can say, I want to improve my English.
Yes, perfect answer.
Or I want to save money.
Also good. Simple present tense.
Then someone says, let's make a toast.
Right. A toast is when you raise your glass and say something.
Like, to health and happiness.
Great. Short and clear.
Pronunciation tip, toast. One syllable, like roasted bread.
Exactly. Not toasta, just toast.
Toast.
Now, let's add a funny moment.
Please, I live for these moments.
Someone brings dumplings, and I try to say, "These dumplings are amazing."
Nice.
But my mouth is full, so I say, "These are am-blazing."
Am-blazing, wow.
Everyone laughs, I laugh too. I swallow and say, "Sorry, amazing."
That's real-life English. Mouthful, words wrong.
Exactly, and it's okay.
So learners, don't panic if you say a word wrong.
Yes, just repeat it calmly.
Like Monica did. Amazing.
Now, one more cultural point. Many people stay up late.
To welcome the new year.
Right, so we can say we stayed up to welcome the new year.
Stay up means not sleep.
Exactly, and the next day,
Everyone is tired.
even you, Mr. Coffee.
Hey, I'm loyal to coffee.
And coffee is loyal to you.
So at dinner, you learn phrases, you laugh, you share food.
That's the feeling.
Warm, busy, family energy.
Yes.
Quick question. What if a learner is invited to a Chinese New Year dinner?
Good question. They can bring something small.
Like fruit or sweets.
Yes, and they can say, "Thank you for having me."
That's a very nice phrase.
Also, "It's great to be here."
Easy, friendly.
And if they don't understand something, they can say, "Can you explain that?"
Or what does that mean?
Exactly. Simple, polite.
Okay, I feel ready for dinner now.
Same, I'm hungry.
Dumplings, please.
Not with your mouth full. Remember, am blazing?
These dumplings are, unbelievable.
Close enough. Before we finish, let's quickly review some key phrases.
Yeah, let's do 4.
Phrase 1, ring in the new year.
Meaning celebrate the start of the new year.
Phrase 2, red envelope.
Meaning a small red envelope, often with money as a lucky gift.
Phrase 3, set off fireworks.
Meaning light fireworks so they go bang, safely, of course.
Phrase 4, family reunion or family-style dinner.
Meaning family meets together and shares food.
And remember, keep your English simple and warm.
Use easy sentences, smile, ask questions.
And don't worry about small mistakes.
Even Monica loses her wallet sometimes.
Okay, true.
If you enjoyed this episode, leave a comment.
Tell us, do you celebrate Chinese New Year?
Or have you ever joined a New Year dinner?
And don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Ears.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Happy Chinese New Year, and we wish you good health.
And good luck.
Bye.
Bye-bye.